How to Eat Nuts by Sam.
By Sam.
First, you crack it.
Come on. Rip it in half. New peanuts.
Okay.
You're cracking.
Yeah.
Get that one out of the way.
You open it, see? Then
Can we see the peanut a little?
you take the brown stuff off. Then you eat it. Yep.
Can I try?
Yeah.
So, this is how we do it. I take it, crack it.
Yeah. I have to open it.
And take the brown stuff off. And then,
Yep. Now let's go over here and
you want me to make one for you? I get a better idea. That takes too long. Just do this. I actually do that a lot for real. Did you know that?
can you do it again?
Yeah. Let me finish it. Yeah. I'll take this one. That's quite good.
Let's see it. Watch this. Nothing in his hand, see? Yep. Now let's go over here, and Jake will show us how to eat some
goldfish. Let's take a short break. I will not fast.
Now I'm gonna try it.
Alright, I'm back. Alright. Clever Guy said goldfish in stores for a long time. Take them. Take one. Feel the cheese on it. Feel it. And then, extra cheddar. Extra cheddar.
Can I try?
Sure. But then, at the end, you take your finger,
Yeah.
and you lick it. You lick all the cheddar off.
Okay.
Okay? So you try.
Okay. Well, first go like this.
And it's got big cheesy taste. Woo! Cheddar!
Cheddar! I did it!
And then you look. Hey, you stole one of my cheddars. Let's get some more.
You ate my nuts for the last time. I already grabbed 3 handfuls, buddy. Get off for the last time.
You're not supposed to climb on that. You're not supposed to do that. Oh God, you got bananas. Can I get a peanut? Or at least a grape? What's that? Hey, where's that?